tighten these down. All right, let's see what we got inside. Oh wow, okay. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a great day. Well, today we're going to be installing J&L's brand new cash can for the new Ford Bronco. I'm going to be installing this on my 2021 Ford Bronco Wildtrak with the 2.7 liter, and they also make one for the Bronco Sport as well. You can tell from the product here, it's going to be a really simple install. Basically 2 hoses we got to disconnect and 2 hoses we got to reconnect, and then you have the cash can itself right here in the center. They sell this in 2 different finishes, a black finish like this, and then a clear silver finish as well. And they do sell these cans in 2 different sizes. This is their smallest version, and they sell one a little bit bigger than this, but we will never know exactly if we need the bigger one until we start driving it to see how much fluid we actually catch in here for oil and deposits. It does come with this mounting bracket here that we need to go ahead and install onto the J&L cash can before we install it on the Bronco. All you gotta do is basically line up the logos and put the 2 Phillips screws that come in the kit. And then this come with a bolt where I'll be showing you guys how to install it on the Bronco, and then we'll drive it for about 1,000 miles, check to see how much oil or fluid we caught inside of here, and then drain it. You definitely don't want to go every 5,000 miles before you check this, because you never know, it may be too full and then you will be adding oil to your intake. So yeah, let's go ahead and pop the hood open and show you guys how to install this. Alright, now with the hood open, these are the 2 that we're going to be disconnecting. This one from the intake and this one from the valve cover. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the first one. What we're going to do is pull this little blue tab away from you and pull up on the pipe. This side you can actually twist it around so you can see it. So we'll pull this little, that's all I gotta do, pull it up. Now we're going to be mounting the cash can to the top of this bolt up here using the hardware that came in the kit. Go ahead and tighten down our 10mm bolt, grab our small hose, goes to the intake, and we grab the long hose, goes to the valve cover. That's it. Alright, so it has been about 1,000 miles now since I installed the cash can on the Bronco. I installed it around 10,100 miles, maybe a little bit less than 10,100. And now we are sitting at, what are we sitting at? Let's see, resuming 11,062 miles on the Bronco. Yeah, so I've been driving the hell out of this thing, guys. Oh, I need to pop the hood so we can go ahead and check to see what we actually have in the cash can, if anything. Like I said, it's been about 1,000 miles. I need 2 hands. Let me put this camera down. All right, let's take this off. Ugh. All right, let's see what we got inside. Oh wow. All right, let's take a look inside. We have a little bit of oil there, as you can tell. Not much, but there is something in there. Okay, so it's a good thing. We're not wasting that much oil, so we don't really have to worry about checking it every 500 miles to 1,000. We can probably go, maybe by looking at that, we can go every 5,000 miles. So every time we change the oil, we can go ahead and drain this cash can as well. We don't need the big one. But like I said, some vehicles actually do waste a lot more. I've seen where when you install these, it'll be like halfway on at least 1,000 miles. So you definitely want to check it every 1,000 miles. But yeah, this one's good. That wraps up today's video for today. Like I said, I will link out this product down below if you're interested in picking up one up for yourself or your Ford Bronco or Ford Bronco Sport. I will link out that one as well. If you guys found this video helpful, please like, please subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one.